Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this spot right here, there's this is a Kyungbu hospital, and there's Kyungbu right there, and then there's the bus station right there as well. And we're gonna go down into this spot, and there's a pretty cool temple, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. But I just wanted to show you kind of reference of where it's at. So it was down there. I thought there was a temple, but there's not. But there's some other cool stuff. So I've never seen this one right here. This is called Agora, and there's a sign. It says, "Come in, we're open." There's some bean bars. Let's take a look. This guy's gonna back out in a minute, so I'm just gonna let him go. I'm just gonna take a look and see. Agora. Oh, okay. Hello. It's got a happy hour there. And a pizza hour. Okay, it's open until 4 o'clock. So I don't know. I guess I didn't really know this was here before. Let's kind of take a look and see where we are here. Okay, I've seen this food. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do is try to get across. We're gonna go down there, but there's Kyungbu Hospital right there, and we're gonna walk down here a little bit. I don't know if you see the lady with the fire, but those are to the spirits. They're gonna be doing that a lot this next month because it's the hungry ghost time of year. I'll try to film more of that too. I'm also gonna try to get a better. My other GoPro camera keeps overheating, and it'd be a great camera to have right now when I'm walking around. But short of that, I mean, I should have that. There's going to be a new brand in September, so I'm just going to buy it. Okay. I want to film that. So, okay. Just going to see what we can see around here. I'll turn it off for now, though. Okay. Got some alive eel. Live fish, crabs. I don't even think it's open yet. So it's kind of funny that it's okay. Actually, maybe we might go down this kind of cool looking street here. Yeah, this street kind of bends and it's kind of interesting. I'm not sure where it goes. Okay. Going down the sidewalk. This is a pretty narrow sidewalk. Anyways, thought I'd show myself from also trying to do like 3 things at the same time, and so I look a little bit distracted probably. Oh wow. It's pretty cool. Okay. I don't know what this one is, but you got some really cool stuff here. Yeah, just take a look at some of this stuff. It's getting a little bit dark, but you can see this one's lit up a little bit, so you can see it. Really cool. Okay. Actually, there's a lot of trinkets like this everywhere in Macau. So I'm kind of exploring, and then came across this called Grandeur Heights. Dang. Usually these buildings are like around like usually like this high, which is like maybe 6 stories high. But then I just came across that one all the way up there. So just gonna kind of explore. I don't know what I'm gonna call this now. There's a temple. Let me just see what. Got a lot of little cool stuff in here. Sometimes, you know, you think I've seen a lot of Macau, but then I realize I haven't seen, a lot of stuff I haven't seen. So we're gonna go straight up this way, and you can see some more tall apartment buildings here and some kind of strange ones up there. Not sure where this street is. One street I haven't really been on. There's some large empty windows up there. Yeah, I don't know, this is kind of interesting. Yeah, I can't believe I've never been back in this spot before. I don't really have a good reference point of even where I am in this particular place. Anyways, we're going to keep following it and seeing what happens, and you're going to get a good taste of Macau and kind of the oddities and intricacies of it. And architectural styles too. I mean, this is kind of more, dang, this is kind of surreal because you got these little canyons, you know. I don't know how these canyons fit in together either, so, but it looks pretty cool. Like right there, it looks amazing. And I don't know, this might end up being a dead end. Like, a lot of these people might know each other because it kind of feels like it could just come to a spot where I might have to just turn around. But it was pretty cool looking. Wow. Didn't realize Macau had something like this. We're just gonna keep following it. But yeah, some of this kind of looks makeshift. To the left to me looks a bit makeshift. Actually, these apartments look pretty makeshift too. It's like 2 stories, but it looks like it's like kind of like really cheap material. I don't know where this comes out at. But we're just gonna keep following it and just kind of see. But yeah, actually, there's like all this stuff looks like really makeshift too. Yeah, lots of kind of construction kind of stuff. Looks like we are gonna come out at something straight ahead. So the street seems like some kind of anomaly. Oh, here comes the car. Oh, no, it's gonna turn. And there's a temple right here. Wow. Small little temple. Looks like they don't really have a lot in it, but garage. They're playing mahjong back there, I think. Okay. I just kind of walked through that kind of interesting little street. Huh. Never saw that before. Now we're just kind of back with all the other stuff that's kind of more commonly seen. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see. Yeah, let me know if you like the other camera that I usually use, or if this one is interesting to you. They have different features. Everybody's standing and cleaning tonight. I don't know, this is interesting. I've just never been in this area before. J Espresso, Macau, pasta to go. Okay. Thought I was going to conclude this one a while ago, but I think I might just kind of put all this stuff together. That's pretty cool. So this is one of those typical alleys. This has a bunch of old antique kind of stuff. Oh, okay. Now I know where we are. So we just came up on this little red temple right here. I'm gonna go there in a minute. Okay. So let's just kind of see here. Yeah, this is a whole little temple right here. And I'm kind of coming out near, there's a large garden that's over here, and this is also where the skating rink and the bowling alley and all that such stuff is too. I didn't realize I was on the back side of that. So yeah, that's a bowling alley right there. toys and such. So okay. So we're just gonna keep going a little bit because I wanna. This is a roller rink right there. I think I'm just gonna So you kind of see there's skating in there. So, as you can see, it's skaters. So I'm not gonna stay. But at least you got to see that a little bit. And now we're back kind of on this cool Portuguese kind of tiles. And we're gonna conclude it in a minute. And actually Kyungwoo is like basically right up one of these streets right here. We kind of took some back streets to get down to this spot. But the lighting is pretty cool right now. Kyungwoo, I think, is straight this way and to the left. And that's basically where we started. So we started in that area and we kind of just went around this whole area. And over here is a park. A lot of older people playing. A lot of different stuff in here. I'll zoom in a little bit. Little bus station. All right, we're going to conclude right in the spot. And since we kind of started with those apartments, you know, these are some more pretty cool looking apartments. I mean, amazing how cool those things look. Kind of terrace as well, interesting way. Okay, so I'm going to conclude this video.